Assalamualaikum guys, how are y'all? Today I bring you the recipe of a tangy fruit bowl. I've chosen few fruits which was at home. I have here half avocado, few olives, strawberries, blueberries, banana, mango and also pomegranate and half lime for flavor. Slice the fruits as preferred. You can use fruits like papaya, grapes, guava, dragon fruit, watermelon, and any fruit that you have at home. As the dressing for this bowl of fruits, I am adding the juice of half lime, bee honey as per your sweet level, and soaked chia seeds. This is optional. Pour this over the sliced fruits and mix it well. Yeah, this is as simple as that. This is delicious as well as healthy and filling. Hope you all would try this fruit bowl at home. Take care and bye.